I'm gonna make curry, Japanese curry. So in order to make a good curry, I wanted to saute the onions first, but I don't want to use another pot. So I'm just going to use the open lid cooking function for the pressure cooker. I go here, and this one right here is the open lid cooking. So I'm going to just choose this one. Okay, and then I press start. Beef, which I just defrosted, broccoli, some carrot, and some potato. I also have some of the onions. I'm just gonna cut these up and then chuck them all into the pressure cooker right now. The beef one. This one is for beef and lamb. And I want it to be medium. So that's, but you can just choose whatever kind of texture that you want it. So here we go. Okay, so it's ready. It's been 36 minutes since it's finished. So now I'm just going to open it. Before you open it, just make sure that the pressure indicator on the lid, the red thing, it's down. So here it is, the curry. I know it's a little bit soupy because I put quite a bit of water in there. And I am lazy, so I basically just put everything in, and yeah, including the meat and the veggies. But if you don't want the veggies to be like super soft, you can put the veggies after the first time, and then you just press the reheat button. The beef is super soft and tender. It's a perfect amount of curriness and saltiness. Very soft. Nom. Alright, I'm gonna go sit down, enjoy my curry. See you guys later. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.